Spice it up a bit more. Listen well. The coordinator spends more time thinking about you than you realize. And I mean a lot. See, if I were you, I'd think real good and hard about visiting his office on the upper floors.
What's going on here?
I just figured you might want to find out why Pops took off all those years ago.
What do you know about my father?
I don't know nothing, but I can promise you that he does.
Even if I wanted to check out his office, which I'm not saying I do, you and I both know that it's impossible to get in there because he's holed up inside it 24/7.
I've got 3 words for you. Code Crimson Lockdown. 2 outbreaks on a single night? That wouldn't look good for a little site coordinator. I'd go as far to say he'd be forced to leave the premises immediately. As for safety and regulations, because the precious coordinator has to be protected at all cost. And that would mean his office would be free. Go to the meeting room. Take it from there and see where...
What the hell?
Well, that's our peaceful retirement going down the drain.
If you need help, I ain't going nowhere. And no, you might not like everything you find up there, but you gotta face the music.
Oh, you're done with that thing. Ugh. Both condolences and congratulations are in order. I'd say I hope it wasn't too much of a nuisance, but that's unlikely. Well, go do whatever it is you do around here until you clock out. Some of us don't have the luxury that comes with the lack of responsibility.
On bucket duty tonight.
What's up?
Just, thinking about some old friends of mine.
John has friends on the outside? Wait here until I go and share that bombshell with Ray.
They're...
Oh,
It's fine. Been a while since they passed. Buddies of mine. From back when I was part of the MTF. Before I got demoted down here. The reason I am here.
What do you mean?
We were part of an op gone south. An op that shouldn't have been given a green light in the first place. But hey, the monster was contained. What have we got to complain about?
What happened?
What was a calculated risk on their part, as they like to put it. What they didn't calculate was me being the only survivor. They should have just listened to what I had to say before the op, and no one would have gotten hurt. My suits never were ones for listening. They'd rather tell tales about all the SCPs they've contained. Doc, but what you'll never find in those files is even a mention of all the lives laid down.
Do you miss them?
Not a minute goes by where I wouldn't trade places with any one of them. And I feel like each additional one I've said too much. It's, not a...
And getting back at them?
It'd make things a little easier.
Hopefully I'll have something to offer by the time that...
You do that.
Why do we have to stay behind and guard this asshole? Who's gonna come for him? The bathtub?
Watch it. They might hear you.
Fire at will! Why do we have to stay behind and guard this asshole? Who's gonna come for him? The bathtub?
Watch it. They might hear you.